When managing a small business or working as a freelancer, a critical step in the sales process is creating and sending a professional estimate or quote. An estimate serves as a formal proposal, outlining the services or products you plan to provide and their projected costs. While GnuCash is primarily known for its robust double-entry accounting capabilities, it also includes features to handle these pre-invoicing documents. This often surprises new users who think GnuCash is just for recording transactions. So, a common question is, how do I create an estimate in GnuCash? As an accounting software expert, I can tell you that GnuCash's estimate functionality, while perhaps not as flashy as some cloud-based software, is powerful and straightforward once you understand its workflow. It seamlessly integrates with your existing customer and vendor records, making the process of converting an accepted estimate into an invoice a simple, one-click action. Here's a step-by-step guide to creating an estimate in GnuCash, written with the educational standards and simple language you'd expect from a professional explaining the process. Step 1. Ensure your GnuCash setup is ready. Before you can create an estimate, you need to have a few things in place. Think of this as preparing your workspace. Create your customer. You need to have a customer record for the person or business you're sending the estimate to. Go to the menu bar and navigate to Business, Customer, New Customer. Fill in the customer's name, address, and any other relevant details. Define your business information. Make sure your business information is entered correctly. This includes your business name, address, and contact details, which will automatically populate onto your estimates. You can check this under File Properties. Set up your service/product accounts. GnuCash uses a double-entry system, so even your estimates are linked to accounts. You'll need to have an income account set up for the services or products you will be quoting. For example, you might have an income, service, consulting, or an income, sales, product A account. Step 2. Navigate to the estimate creation window. Once your initial setup is complete, creating the estimate itself is the next step. Go to the menu bar and select Business, Customer, New Estimate. This will open a new window for the estimate. Step 3. Fill out the estimate details. The estimate window is where you'll input all the specifics of your proposal. GnuCash will automatically generate an estimate number for you, but you can change it if you have your own numbering system. Customer. Start by selecting the customer you created earlier from the drop-down menu. This will automatically populate their address details. Billing and shipping address. Verify that the addresses are correct. Date. The current date will be filled in, but you can adjust it if needed. Due date. This is a crucial field. It defines the expiration date of your estimate. It's a professional practice to give clients a limited time frame to accept a quote. Terms. You can input your payment terms here, e.g., net 30 days, payment upon acceptance. Step 4. Add line items for services or products. This is the main body of your estimate, where you detail what you're proposing. GnuCash uses a line item system for this. Description. Enter a clear, concise description of the service or product. For example, website design consultation, 10 widgets, Model X, or hourly rate for software development. Action. This field is for internal use and can be left blank if you don't need it. Account. This is where the double-entry system comes in. Select the appropriate income account for this line item, e.g., income, service, consulting. Quantity. Enter the number of units. This could be hours, items, or a fixed one for a flat rate service. Price. Enter the price per unit. Discount. If you're offering a discount, enter the percentage here. VAT/GST. If applicable, you can select the appropriate tax rate from the drop-down menu. GnuCash handles these calculations for you. To add more line items, simply click on the next empty row and repeat the process. The program will automatically calculate the subtotal, taxes, and grand total at the bottom of the estimate. Step 5. Add notes and save the estimate. At the bottom of the estimate window, there's a Notes section. This is a great place to add a brief, professional message to your client, any disclaimers or conditions of service, a summary of the project scope, Once you have filled in all the details, click on the Save button. Your estimate is now saved within GnuCash. The power of integration, converting an estimate to an invoice. Here is where GnuCash truly shines and demonstrates the power of its integrated system. Once your client accepts the estimate, you don't have to start from scratch to create an invoice. Go to the menu bar and select Business, Customer, Find Estimate. This will open a window showing all your saved estimates. Find the estimate you just created and click on it. With the estimate selected, go to the menu bar again and select Business, Customer Process Estimate. A pop-up window will ask you what you want to do with the estimate. You'll see an option to Convert to Invoice. Select this option and GnuCash will automatically create a new invoice with all the same line items, customer details, and pricing from the estimate. You can then make any final adjustments to the invoice, e.g., if the final hours were slightly different from the estimate, before saving it and sending it to your client. Key takeaways for small businesses and freelancers. GnuCash is more than just a ledger. Its estimate and invoicing features provide a complete quote-to-cash workflow for small businesses. Embrace the double entry system. By linking line items to income accounts, you're not just creating a document. You're pre-populating a future transaction in your accounting books, which saves time and reduces errors. Simplicity and control. While GnuCash lacks the cloud-based bells and whistles, it offers complete control over your data and is free to use. You have full ownership of your records, which is a significant advantage for many users. Educational standard. By following these steps, you're not just learning how to use a piece of software. You're learning about the fundamental workflow of professional sales and accounting, from proposal to payment.